Hey guys, and welcome to what's on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything I use on my phone, from all the applications to all the wallpapers, what theme I use on my phone, what settings I have to get the most out of this Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So before I get into this video, I want to remind you that I am giving away a Samsung Galaxy S9, and I'll be announcing the winner on March 31st instead of April 4th. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, that's where I'm most active, and follow me on Twitter, that's where I'll be announcing the winner, and lastly, leave a comment below. Alright, so we're gonna start off all the way from the freaking lock screen. So this is the always on mode theme that I'm using. It's the default one. I haven't downloaded anything from the theme store. I think it's like the number 1 or number 2 always on mode. Let's dive into the lock screen and boom, look at that beautiful live wallpaper. This is actually a video wallpaper that I've downloaded from Samsung theme store, and a lot of times I'm using the intelligent scan feature on my S9 Plus, so it takes a little while to unlock, and while it is waiting, it's nice to look at something live like this video wallpaper. So it looks pretty cool, and once we unlock the phone, and boom, we have a beautiful home screen. We have a badass Goku wallpaper in its limit breaker foam, and as soon as I touch the display, look at that. It is so damn cool. Like, look at that aura going all the way up, and it looks super incredible. It's a live wallpaper from a very special app that I will reveal later on in this video. So it has this blue background, so it kind of blends in with the theme that I'm using, which is actually called as the Sand Beach theme, and I downloaded it straight from Samsung theme store, so it's a free theme that you can get. And this theme pretty much turns everything into blue. So with the phone dialer, you can see we have a beautiful, awesome look. Same thing with the messaging app. It changes the look of your settings as well. We have that sand beach background. And it has a really nice icon pack. As some of you guys do know that blue is my favorite color, so I absolutely love this theme. I've completely disabled the Bixby, and I've also disabled the Bixby button. So no problem whatsoever, even when I press it accidentally, so nothing really happens. Now, as you guys do know that we still have the Google Assistant, which works incredibly good. So if I hold on to this, as you can see, that it picks up everything pretty good, and I can ask everything I want. The weather in Lahore.
Right now in Lahore is 29 and clear.
Alright, now let's take a look at the applications that I have on my phone. So first up, as you can see on the home screen, I have a very simple setup. I'm actually using Samsung's own launcher, so I'm not using any custom launcher, not doing any extreme customization. I figure as I'm growing older, I'm kind of liking the simple look of the phone. So I have a simple setup of Samsung home screen. If I hold on to the display, you can see it is home screen only, so I'm not using app drawer. I've set the home screen grid to 5x5. So in the dock, I have the simple stock setup, the phone, messaging, internet, and camera. We got the Google widget, and up above that, I have some of my most used applications on daily basis. I made a social box folder, which includes all my social media applications that I interact with almost every day. So first up, we have Quora. It's a really good application where people can ask questions, and it's just really fun. Stuff like, what shocked you today? And someone answers this in the best way possible, and that gets a lot of views. So Quora is the app that I interact with almost every single day. Then we have Facebook, usual stuff. I don't use Facebook that much. Then we have Twitter, so that's usual stuff. If you are not following me there, be sure to do, because I post a lot of stuff about the videos and everything. And next we have Boost. This is a Reddit client, so I don't like the default Reddit application for Android. So if you want to try out something else, then the Boost is probably the best Reddit client for Android devices. It has a really nice layout, and you can quickly check out all your subscribed subreddits, and it just works really, really fast as well. So like I said, the best Reddit client you can have for the Android phones. Then we have the Instagram. This is where I'm probably most active. I post stories all the time. And we are close to 40,000 subscribers or followers on Instagram. So if you want to follow me there, be sure to do that. Now that was the social box. Then we have the YouTube applications, the YouTube itself, and the YT Studio, of course, to monitor the channel, replying to your comments and everything. And then I got the Philips Hue application. So this is the app to control the lights that I have behind the table, so I can pretty much change it to any color. There are other applications as well to play with, but I just really like the default Philips application. It does everything that I want. That's always on my home screen because I'm always playing with the colors, changing colors of the room. Then I have the Play Store, of course, to download applications for my phone. And that's pretty much it for the default home screen. Then, if you scroll to the right, I have all the other apps that I have on my phone that I do interact, but not that much. So I made a really good layout of the folders, so 5 folders on each side. First folder we have is the gaming folder. These are all my favorite games that I like to play on the Galaxy S9 Plus beautiful infinity display. So we got Alto game, we have Bully. It's one of the most exciting games that I played on the Xbox, and now I can play it on my phone, which is awesome. Then we got Asphalt 8, Gangster New Orleans, Riptide GP, Marvel Champions, Mario Run, Pinout, Subway Surfer, Taken. It's just got released on smartphones for Android and iOS. And it's also really fun to play on this phone. And then we have the Smash Hit. So that was my gaming folder, and below that I have a folder named Channel that includes applications such as Social Blade and Subscriber Count. So this is a really cool app. I mean, if you are a YouTuber, then download this application. It tells you about your subscriber count, of course, live, and it also gives you a notification panel toggle as well, so I can see my subscriber count real time on my notification panel. So as you can see, I touched the toggle and it updated the subscriber count. It's now 811,675. Now next up is the Google folder, and this includes all the Google applications I have on my phone. So we got the Google Chrome, Maps, Gmail, and Playbooks. Next up we have the folder called as Tools. Now this includes all the tool related applications. So first up is obviously the Samsung Notes. Then we have the calculator, basic stuff. It looks pretty cool with this theme. Geekbench 4 and Any.do. Now this is the application I use for making lists on my phone, checklist, whatever I have to do on a daily day-to-day basis. So whether I have to go to gym, or I have to upload the video, or I have to submit my iPhone 10 to repair its screen, I make that checklist on this application. So it's called as Any.do. Next, I have the MyFitnessPal application. It's a must-have app if you go to the gym, if you want to track your calories, and it also features this beautiful feed where you can watch these training videos, and it has loads of other stuff, but I pretty much use it just for tracking the calories. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that your boy goes to the gym. That's why I got them abs. And of course, to maintain all of this, I need to consume this amount of calories, 2,730. So it's my number one app for tracking the calorie and all of those gym dudes. You must download this on your phone. Then of course I have the settings app. Then I have Google Keep. Of course, this is the app that I use for, taking notes. And the reason why I use this instead of the Samsung Notes app is because it gets synced with the Google Chrome. So I'm a MacBook Pro user. So when I open the Google Chrome, I get all my text there, whatever I write on the phone. So it's pretty handy. Then we have the music folder, which includes the Spotify, SoundCloud, and Play Music. All right, moving on to the right side, we have the first folder, which is the Microsoft app folder. So next we got Samsung folder, and this includes all the Samsung applications. I don't play with them that much. I also have Snapchat in there because I don't use Snapchat. Next up, we have photo editing application folder, and these are pretty much all the apps that I use. So first up is the Photoshop Express, and this is probably the favorite one because this provides such an awesome control over the picture. This photo editor is filled with so many features. We got so many effects, but I mainly use it for enhancing the clarity or sharpness of the picture, with the contrast, adding defog. I mean, it can really make the picture pop a lot. So moving on to the next one, which is the Facetune. So this is the application that I bought, I think maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. I have it on my phone always. It's one of the most powerful photo editing applications applications out there for phones. It has so many features. You can pretty much change the person's look. It's pretty famous. You probably have heard it before. So it's not free. You have to pay for it. It's probably around $1 something, but I mean, it is just really high power editor that allows tons of controls to play with, and it also comes with tons of different filters and has this defocus feature that allows you to basically blur the background. I remember back in the days I have used this application to add like blur in the background of the picture. Definitely Facetune. If you ask me about paid photo editing applications, then Facetune is definitely right there. Then I have the selfie replacement app for this phone, which is the UCam Perfect. This is probably the most awesome popular selfie application. So next we have Snapseed. This is also a really popular editor. However, I haven't used it that much. It has similar kind of features as the PS Express. So basically it allows you to have different effects, and at the same time you can use the tools to enhance the details of the picture, enhance the clarity of the picture. It definitely has slightly more tools than the PS Express, but yeah, I mean, this is also really popular photo editing application for phone that I will definitely recommend to have, and it's free, of course. It is from Google, so really popular editing app. Then we have the Square Insta Pic. So a lot of times when your picture is a little bit big for the Insta resolution, so you can use this, and basically it will add a wide background, kind of like a big thick frame around your picture, so that you can, you know, post the full picture on Instagram without any crop or zoom. Okay, next up is the wallpaper folder. Now these are all the wallpapers I use on my phone. We got the AMOLED wallpaper for, of course, AMOLED phone, Super AMOLED phone. So it has a bunch of different dark wallpapers that you can try out. You can see so much collection here. Then I have Zedge, which is probably the most used wallpaper app of your boy. I've used this all the time. I've used this on my iPhone, on pretty much any phone that I buy, because this is just incredible. You can search different categories, and it has so many wallpapers to choose from. You can download not just wallpapers, but also live wallpapers plus ringtones. Even notification sounds can be downloaded from this application. So it's a really big, powerful application that I would recommend to you guys. Next, we have another wallpaper application, which is called as Wall-E. So it also has some nice wallpapers. Then we got Wallpy. This is also a pretty good application. Has some nice wallpaper collection. Not as much as the Zedge, but still some wallpapers that I've tried out here are nice. You have a nice trending tab, and you can see some really cool poppy wallpapers there. And now the final wallpaper application, which is the Anime Live Wallpaper. This application is incredible. It has all the anime related wallpapers, mostly Dragon Ball. So you have Goku, Gohan, and all the wallpapers from the latest anime, latest Dragon Ball Super. We have wallpaper of Jiren. One that I'm using right now is called as Goku Limit Breaker version 1. So we have version 2 as well, and we have a Master Roshi power-up as well. So you touch the screen and boom. There are so many to try out, and Vegeta Limit Breaker as well. You touch the screen, as you can see, looks really cool. So it only works on the home screen. For some reason, I was not able to apply it to the lock screen of the phone. But yeah, it looks really incredible with this sand beach theme that I'm using. If you are a Dragon Ball fan, then this is definitely the application to get. And it's called as Anime Live Wallpaper. Okay, next up we have the transfer folder. Now this includes the Share It application. Of course, you guys are familiar with it. You can pretty much use this app to share stuff across different phones. You can even send stuff to iOS, for example, photos, even music. Then I have Zapier, or Zapier, whatever the name is. This is another application that I would recommend if the Share It fails to work, because sometimes Share It doesn't connect to the iPhone with the latest version. So that's why I downloaded the Zapier app. So this is also similar to Share It. Then I have HandShaker. Now this application is probably the best and must-have app for all those people who use Mac plus Android. This allows you to transfer pretty much anything from your phone to your MacBook Pro wirelessly. It connects super fast, kind of like AirDrop. It's actually a little bit better than AirDrop because it connects faster. Sometimes AirDrops take some time, and you have full access to your gallery and files, so you can pretty much copy anything on your phone and copy anything from your phone to your Mac. Now you also have to download the HandShaker application for your Mac in order for this to work. So I will definitely recommend for those people who use Android plus Mac, because this is a lifesaver. Alright, moving on to the third home screen page, which includes the widgets. So I have the live subscriber widget, which shows me the subscriber count, of course. I can refresh it. And then I have the any.do widget. It shows me all of my tasks that I have to complete in a day, like going to the gym or uploading video. And then I have the MyFitnessPal calorie widget. So I just had a milkshake. I'm just gonna quickly add this, and as you can see, it updates my calories, and now I have to consume 1,495 calories instead of 2,700 something. So pretty much just 3 widgets on this homepage. Total of 10 folders on this with cool live wallpapers in between, so that doesn't block my look. And these wallpapers, of course, they are transparent thanks to this sand beach theme. So yeah, guys, this wraps up the full video. This is what I have on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus phone. Let me know if I'm missing out on any specific cool application that I don't know about. So leave that in the comment section below. And again, giveaway winner will be announced on 31st. So make sure to leave a comment below to enter as well. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.